The next question, Assalamu alaikum. Is it permissible to pray witr in odd count, and also can it be 1 rakah? Witr, linguistically it means odd, and in Islamic terminology it refers to the night prayer. And when is the witr prayer offered? The witr prayer, it can be offered any time after the Isha prayer until just before the Fajr prayer. You can offer witr any time during this time span. And if you fear that you cannot get up just before dawn, just before Fajr, then it is better that you offer it before you go to sleep. But if you know that you can get up before dawn, for example, half an hour before Fajr, 45 minutes before Fajr, maybe 20 minutes before Fajr, then it is better that you offer witr before dawn, before the Fajr prayer. And witr, it is the most important prayer after the Fard prayer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, he used to offer witr regularly. So we should see to it that we offer the witr prayer. And normally the witr prayer is offered after the qiyam. When we fear that dawn will approach, then we conclude it with witr prayer. Now, how many rakah can you offer in the witr prayer? The witr is basically odd. So you can offer 1 rakah, you can offer 3 rakah, you can offer 5 rakah, you can offer 7 rakah, you can offer 11 rakah. So basically it has to be odd. If you're offering 3 rakah, so there are 2 ways of offering it. The first is that you offer all 3 rakah together and you do not sit in the second rakah for tashahhud. The second is that you offer 2 rakah, you do taslim, and then you offer 1 rakah. If you want to offer 5 rakah, you offer it together. If you want to offer 7 rakah, you offer it together and you do taslim in the last rakah. This is the sunnah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Witr, it is odd, it can be offered 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And we should try to offer it into the last third of the night, because this is the time wherein our dua it is accepted, wherein our prayers will be accepted. The last third of the night, it is the best time to offer the witr prayer. We should offer tahajjud, the night prayer, and then conclude that with witr prayer.